Hey everyone, ever feel like you want to start building some wealth, but you just don't know where to begin? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on a really powerful tool that might just be the answer you're looking for. We're talking about mutual funds.
Yeah, if that sounds familiar, trust me, you are so not alone. It's this super common feeling, right? This idea that you have to be some kind of Wall Street genius or have this massive pile of cash just to even get started. But what if I told you there's a way to start small and get professional help right from day one?
Okay, so the answer is actually found in a really simple but kind of brilliant idea. It's something you probably see every single day. We're calling it the chai stall solution.
All right, just imagine this for a second. You and, say, 99 of your friends are hanging out at a cafe. Each one of you has just 50 rupees in your pocket. Now, if you all go up and buy your own tea, what happens? You each get a small, standard cup of chai. It's fine, but it's not exactly amazing, is it? But what if you all decided to team up? Imagine pulling all that cash together. That's 5,000 rupees. And with that, you could hire a real chai expert, someone who knows exactly how to get the best deal. They're not going to buy 100 tiny cups, no way. They're going to order one huge, steaming pot of some really high-quality premium tea. And the result? Every single one of you gets a much, much better cup of chai than you ever could have afforded on your own. That, right there, that's the power of pooling. Okay, so let's take that idea. Let's swap out the tea and swap in investments. Because that simple concept from the chai stall, that is exactly the principle behind how mutual funds work.
So, what is a mutual fund really? Well, think of it like a giant money basket. Thousands of different investors, just like all those friends at the chai stall, all put their money together into this one basket. Then, a professional, the fund manager, who is basically our chai expert, takes all that pooled money and invests it for everyone in a whole mix of things, like shares, bonds, or even gold.
And this is where it gets really powerful for you. Right away, you get access to a professional manager who's doing all the heavy lifting, all the research, all the decisions. You also get what's called instant diversification. That just means your money is spread out across lots of different investments, which is way, way safer than putting it all in one place. And the cool thing is, no matter what your goal is, maybe it's long-term wealth, or planning for taxes, or even just a place to park some cash for a little while, there's probably a mutual fund out there that's designed for exactly that. But wait a minute, who's actually running this whole operation? It's a good question. And the answer is, it's not just one person. Nope. There's an entire professional team working behind the scenes, and their job is to manage and, more importantly, protect your investment. To make this super easy to understand, let's switch gears a bit. Think of it like a professional cricket team. For the team to win, every single person, from the star players on the field to the management in the back office, has a very specific, very crucial job to do. And it's the exact same with a mutual fund. Every role is critical. You've got the sponsor, that's kind of like the franchise owner who sets the whole thing up. Then there's the asset management company, or AMC. They're like the team management, the ones actually picking the investments. But here's what's really important for you. You also have the trust and the trustees. Think of them like the BCI, the big governing board. Their entire job is to look out for you, the investor, to safeguard your interests and make sure everyone is playing by the rules. It's a whole professional setup that's built for both performance and protection. Okay, so let's bring this all together. What's the bottom line? Why does all this stuff, the structure, the concept, why does it actually matter for your financial journey? You've definitely heard this one before. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's like investing 101, one of the oldest, wisest rules in the book. Why? Because putting all your money into just one single stock or one single asset is just incredibly risky. And that right there, that is the core problem that mutual funds were designed to solve. Because at the end of the day, that's what a mutual fund is. It's a tool. It's a tool that gives everyday people like you and me, a way to get into the financial markets. But you're not doing it alone. You're doing it with a professional team and with that all-important safety of diversification already built right in. It basically takes the simple idea from the chai stall and the pro-level structure of the cricket team and puts them both to work for your money. So really, the big question isn't just what is a mutual fund? The real question is, what could it do for you? Now that you get the basics, this power of pooling your money and having a pro team behind you, what's the first financial goal that comes to your mind? What's something you'd want to use this tool to achieve?